Hi friends, all of you have a good day. आम जब पूर्व क्लास पार्ट 2 कंप्लीट हो जाता सो आज आम पढ़ा पार्ट 3. So friends, see this. I went to I first went to Harrow in the summer term. The school possessed the biggest swimming bath I had ever seen. It was more like the bend of a river than a bath, and it had two bridges across it. Thither we used to repair for hours at a time and bask between our dips, eating enormous buns on the hot asphalt margin. Naturally, it was a good joke. Naturally, it was a good joke to come up behind some naked friend or even enemy and push him in. I made quite a habit of this with boys of my own size or less. One day, I had been no more than a month in the school. I saw a boy standing in a meditative posture, wrapped in a towel on the every wing. It was no bigger than I was, so I thought him fair game. Coming stealthily behind, I pushed him in, holding on to his towel out of humanity, so that it should not get wet. I was startled to see a furious face emerge from the foam, and a being evidently of enormous strength making his way to fierce strokes to the shore. I fired, but in vain. Swift as the wind, a forcer overtook me, seized me a ferocious grief, and hauled me into the deepest part of the pool. I soon scrambled out on the other side and found myself surrounded by an agitated crowd of younger boys. You are in for it, they said. Do you know what you have done? It's Amedi. He is in the sixth form. He is head of his house. He is champion at gym. He has got his football colors. They continue to recount his many titles to fame and reverence and dilate upon the awful retribution that would fall upon me. I was convulsed, and not only in terror but with the guilt of sacrilege. How would I tell his rank when he was in a bat towel and so small? I determined to apologize immediately. I approached the potentate in lively trepidation. I am very sorry, I said. I mistook you for a force from boy. You are so small. He did not seem at all placated by this, so I after in a most brilliant recovery. My father, who is great man, is also small. At this he laughed, and after some general remarks about my cheek, how I had better be careful in future, signified that the incident was closed. ଗ୍ରୀଷ୍ମ ଛୁଟି ସମୟ ଥିଲା। ଲେଖକ ଆମ ହାର ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ପୃଷ୍ଠଭୂମିକୁ ଫେରାଇ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି, ଯେଉଁଠାରେ କି ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସର୍ବାଧିକ ସମୟ ସନ୍ତରଣ ପୁଷ୍କରିଣୀରେ ଅତିବାହିତ କରୁଥିଲେ। ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ଘଟିଥିବା ଗୋଟିଏ ଘଟଣାକୁ ଲେଖକ ମନେ ପକାଇଛନ୍ତି। ଚିନ୍ତାଶୀଳ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ତଉଲିଆଟି ପିନ୍ଧି ପୁଷ୍କରିଣୀ ଧାରରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇଥିବା ଏକ ବାଳକକୁ ସେ ଦେଖିଲେ। ପଛରୁ ଗୋଡ଼ ଚିପି ଚିପି ଯାଇ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ତଉଲିଆକୁ ଟାଣି ଆଣି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୁଷ୍କରିଣୀ ଭିତରୁ ଠେଲିଦେଲେ। ଲେଖକ ଫେର ଭିତରୁ ବାହାରି ଆସିଥିବା ବାଳକଟିର ଭୟଙ୍କର ମୁଖମଣ୍ଡଳ ଦେଖି ଛାନିଆ ହୋଇଗଲେ। ସେ ପଳାଇଯିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ଫଳପ୍ରଦ ହୋଇପାରି ନଥିଲା। ସେ ଲେଖକଙ୍କୁ ଜଳାଶୟର ଗଭୀରତମ ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ଦଳେ ପିଲା ସେହି ବାଳକଟିର କୃତିତ୍ୱ ବିଷୟରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ। ନିଜର ଖରାପ ବ୍ୟବହାର ପାଇଁ ଲେଖକ ତାଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଷମା ମାଗିଲେ। ଜଣାପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ତାର ରାଗ କମି ନଥିଲା। ଯାହା ହେଉ, ଲେଖକଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଘଟଣାର ସୁଖକର ସମାପ୍ତି ଘଟିଥିଲା। ସୋ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍, ଏବେ ଆମର ପାର୍ଟ 2 ବି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ହୋଇଗଲା। ପାର୍ଟ 3 ଏବେ ଆମର ପାର୍ଟ 3 ବି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ହୋଇଗଲା। ସୋ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍, ଆପଣମାନେ ଭଲସେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରନ୍ତୁ, ଏବଂ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆମେ ଦେଖା ହେବା ପାର୍ଟ 4 ମିନ୍ସ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଆଇଭିରେ।